Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So let's do a check-in. Get into a comfortable position, take a little bit of time for yourself, and close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh out. Take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh out. Just relaxing your body, your mind. And just continue to breathe nice and easy. Allow your breath to flow. Allow it to relax everything. Your entire body, mind, and spirit. Now you can place a hand over your heart center, or you can put them in Anjali Mudra or prayer pose. And just breathe. And just check in with your heart center. Go deeply into the center of the heart. And just listen. Listen deeply with not your thoughts, but with your emotions, with your intuition. Listen from a place of higher consciousness, higher awareness. So if this means shedding or taking a step back from the ego mind or who you think you are, just putting that aside. And just listening from the heart and not from the mind. Listening to what is happening within. Listening to what your body needs, what your heart needs. And just continue to breathe. Allow the breath to flow. And if a thought or an emotion enters in and kind of hangs you up, it kind of keeps you stuck, just take a moment to acknowledge it and release it. Just really take the time to nourish and nurture yourself, to care for yourself. The things that you need, what your heart needs, what your body needs. Don't ignore that. Honor yourself. Take the time for you. Take the time to send love to yourself. Now, you can stay here as long as you like. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste.